Subtraction fluency, numbers 0 to 5. Be sure to call out the difference before I do. 0, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 0, 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 4, 0, 0, 5. You did it! Keep up the great work!